you ready?
I'm ready.
Hey everybody, this is Leon, and today I want to show you how to run instant apps on Linux. Well, actually NixOS, because it's the only operating system which allows this kind of instant stuff. Just like Android, but way more powerful. So instant apps are basically apps which you can run immediately without having them installed on your laptop or device all the time. And this is really great because with many Linux distros I've used in the past, usually after 2 years or 3 years, they get very bloated. A bit not as bad as Windows, but they get very bloated with all kind of installed packages which are, I think, not used every day. It's just accumulating over time. It's very hard to find out which packages are used very often. And NixOS and Nix, the package manager, they basically have a very cool command. It's called Nix shell. And Nix shell, in contrast to the packages which are installed using this configuration file, Nix shell allows you to install a package and run a command. So just to give you an example, Mandelbulber is one of my favorite applications to create 3D fractals. It's really amazing what you can do with this application. Check it out. Also check out the forum. Really cool community. But I don't use this program every day, maybe once per month. So if you just find something like this in the NixOS search repository, then just remember the name. And then what I did, I created a shell script wrapper for this, which runs this Mandelbulber inside Nix shell. And why is this very cool, and why did I do this shell script wrapper? Well, because now it shows up in my favorite autocomplete called Ruffy. Ruffy allows me to have system-wide applications like GIMP, which I use on a daily basis, but also this instant app, this Mandelbulber app, at my fingertips basically. So this, if I run this, the first time it will take a bit of time depending on the size of this instant app, but the second time you will already have it cached on your system. So this is really cool. If you just look at the screen now, it will pop up any moment. Let's see, and there we go. So here is Mandelbulber, and whatever settings I do here, it will be saved to my home directory in this dot folder, so I can always continue where I left off. So that is very cool. Another program I turned into an instant app is HTOP. I don't use this very often, but sometimes I like using it, and so I can just run HTOP and then it will just run it or install it at the same time within seconds. So this is really nice. I really like this. So yeah, this is basically it. This is how you make a distinction between temporary applications, have them in your Ruffy autocomplete. Oh, by the way, just a tip, and make sure you put your bin folder in the path of your src or profile. That way Ruffy can find it. And if you need some hard drive space, you can just do nix Nix collect garbage, boom, and then it will delete all this less often used stuff, which is really great because then your hard drive will always have enough space, especially on laptops with tiny hard drive space, Raspberry Pis, all these things. It's really, I think this is the new way to go. Alright, so I hope this helped. I hope you liked it, and keep on nixing. Cheers!